Backed by popular demand, we're updating the vision board for 2025. If you saw my last Dakboard video, you know how powerful this setup is for keeping your goals front and center. And guess what? Those videos are still the most watched videos on my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to create a fresh 2025 digital vision board using Canva, perfect for your Dakboard, desktop, or even your phone wallpaper. Plus, I've got a big announcement about Canva and I can't wait to share it with you. So stick around. Let's dive in. First things first, we have to choose the right Canva template. So let's head over to Canva and type in vision boards and you'll see tons of templates. So as you see, these are all like Canva templates for vision boards. There are tons of them. There are many different ways you could do them. As you see, these templates are amazing. You can choose words that are special to you like this. I would resonate with something like this aesthetic here. I really like that. However, I'm not going to use that template. As you see, there are lots of different types of templates that you could use, whether it's just pictures or words or an actual vision board, something similar to this right here. As you can see, you can create anything that you want, and there are lots of templates. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and revisit something that I've done before for my vision board for last year. Let's take a look at that. If you want the perfect fit for Dakboard, I recommend using the custom resolution of 1920 by 1080 for landscape mode. If you want it for your cell phone too, create a second vision board that's in vertical format. Now let's bring your 2025 goals to life. First things first, upload your own images and grab stunning visuals from Canva's library. For adding meaningful quotes, just search motivational quotes in the Elements tab. Use frames and grids to keep things visually balanced. Now, these are some of the frames and grids that I've used in the past for my 2024 board. And so now I'm going to update them for 2025. Remember, your vision board should feel inspiring and intentional. So choose words and images that fuel your creativity and focus. Here was my before. This was what I did last year. And now here's what I have afterward. So I changed up and I put 2025 on there. I changed up some things. I made 11 boards in total. So all of these boards, I have them randomly changing, but notice certain things stay the same. It's the same as it was last year. So to keep the same theme, and I'm using the same template in Dakboard to continue the theme this year. Now, some of these things are pro features in Canva. If you need to try Canva Pro for 30 days for free, do it on me. Go ahead and grab the link, lbcbranding.link/Canva, and try Canva Pro for 30 days for free. Now let's focus on getting these images into Dakboard. Now you'll want to download your images in a high resolution PNG or JPEG file. And it's super easy. Click done and download. What I'm doing is actually using the presentation that I'm using for this video. Basically, part of this presentation are those screens for the Dakboard. So I wanted to make sure that I did all of it in real time. So now that we've done that, now it's time to upload them into Dakboard. Last year, I had a video where I showed you exactly how I did it. Because I have 11 screens that'll go on a loop, I had to put these images in a folder on my Google Drive. The next thing I'm going to show you is uploading the new images into the Google Drive. Basically, all I did was drag and drop them in to my Google Drive and it loaded the new images. Now my 2024 images are still in there. However, I'm going to go in and delete the 2024 images because this is the drive that reads when it looks for the photos to put in the back part of my Dakboard. Now that all of the images are uploaded into that specific file that is reading, now let's go to Dakboard and finish the rest. Now we're in the inside of my Dakboard. So I went ahead and I deleted the 2024 images, and these are the same that I had before. So remember, there were different templates, and this was the template that I used, the back to school template that I used from last year. And basically all I did was keep this screen and this screen, and I mapped those to my Trello board and kept this as my calendar. So here you can see it a little bit larger here. This is the template that I used, the back to school template. And you can watch that video. I will leave a card for that video right here so you can go back and watch how I edited this template. Okay, so let's go back to those screens. So this was the screen that we're gonna update. And so the way we're gonna do that, we're gonna click here, because if you notice on the corner over here where you see this large blue thing, it says photos. This is where the photos are being pulled from. So here you have the date and time, which is the date and time right here. Weekly episodes. This is the weekly episodes. As a matter of fact, I could add some more things to it, but I have other images that will be filling these spaces right here. But this is the one, the weekly episodes section. Then there's the monthly theme section. This pulls directly from my Trello board where the monthly themes are. Then there's the calendar. And so this block is for the calendar. And notice these squares stay the same because the images that I'm pulling from Canva fill the rest of the screens. And then here, photos, this is where the photo layer, which is underneath all of these other layers, that's where it's going to be pulling from the Google Drive. So in order to edit that, I would have to go here to edit. And I go to my Google Drive, and then the name of the folder is called the Dakboard wallpaper, and I'll hit save. And then once it saves, they will load all of those images. So it will then show on my screen. And so now I can show you what the screen looks like. And so there it is. So as you see, everything is on the Dakboard, and this is exactly what's showing on my Dakboard as we speak right now. So here, this is that window for the weekly shows, and then here is the monthly theme, and then here is my calendar. And so 11 new images now would then cycle through, and I pretty much have this set up so that it cycles through once an hour. So once an hour, it will change, and I'll see a different image to remind me, and boom, my daily goals are now in sight, and I can see them every day. It's time for a big announcement. Before we wrap up, I have some amazing news. I have been chosen as a Canva Canvassador for the second year in a row. That means that I'll be bringing you exclusive Canva tips, templates, and insider tricks all year long. I am so excited. Also, you won't want to miss anything, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss a thing. And then also go create your vision board and tag me here on YouTube at LBC Branding. Let's make 2025 the year of impact. See you in the next video.